It is the third time that the Pope has spoken in public about the catastrophe in Valencia. He did it in the last two Angelus. And, in his general audience on Wednesday, he wanted to have a special gesture with the Valencian people. Minutes before beginning his catechesis, the Pope asked the audience to turn towards the Virgin who presided over the meeting. It was the Virgin of the Forsaken, patroness of Valencia.
Valencia che soffre tanto, e anche altre parti della Spagna, ma Valencia che è sotto l'acqua e soffre. Io ho voluto che fosse qui la patrona di Valencia, questa immaginetta che gli stessi valenziani mi hanno regalato. Oggi in modo speciale preghiamo per Valencia e per altre zone della Spagna che stanno soffrendo per l'acqua.
After learning of what happened in Valencia, the Pope called the city's archbishop, concerned about the situation. He also sent a video message to the president of the Spanish bishops. The climate catastrophe suffered in Spain is one of the worst in southern Europe in decades.